In this video, I will show you how to create GoHighLevel account. So first thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is GoHighLevel.com. From in there, you should be able to see in here this part. You can see that they actually offer a 14-day free trial. So if you do not have an account yet, you can head over and click onto this 14-day free trial option. From in there, you just need to input right here details about your business. For example, let's input right here my business and then input right here your full name. Enter in here your email address that you wish to use. And then after you have inputted right here your details, you need to next input right here your phone number. I'll head over and input my phone number and click onto this go to step 2. Into this part, you will be asked for the trial details that you want. You can either choose from $97 starter plan or the $297 unlimited plan. Do take note that they have a 14-day free trial, then they will charge $97 per month. You can input right here your payment information such as your card number, and you will only be charged after that 14-day trial. So let me input right here my details and let's proceed with this one next. Once you have inputted your payment information, they will ask in here for password that you want to use. Do take note that you need to fulfill this character requirements right here and then input next your password and continue from there. After that, they will send you in here a verification code that you can use in order to activate your GoHighLevel account. So just input right here that particular verification code that they have sent. And there, click on continue, and you just need to confirm your phone number from there as well. So you can also update your phone if it is not actually the latest phone that you have. So from in there, just input right here the code. And after you have inputted that, this will proceed to the next step. As of right now, we're currently on 3 out of 9. Head over and click on continue. Input right here your billing address. And input right here how you plan to use GoHighLevel right here. Click on continue. And if you plan to resell, and from in here it will ask what industry you're in. I'll choose in here arts and recreation. And then once you have chosen the industry that you're in, choose in here the subcategory. I'll input right here some categories, for example, for the creative, and choose in here which one you want. Click on continue and it will ask how many customers you have. Click on continue and it will ask if you would like to focus on first. You can also choose one right here. Click on continue and you can also integrate some platforms if you would want onto this part. On this case, I'll skip it for now, and as you can see, my account is now ready. So that's how you create GoHighLevel account. Hope we helped.